So coming to the IUPAC names of hydrocarbons which are having double or triple bonds. So here very few rules are there, 2 or 3. So first one, longest chain having double or triple bond. If the double or triple bond is present in the carbon chain, that longest chain should be selected and it is numbered. How it is numbered? In such a way that carbon having double or triple bond should get lowest number. Okay. So here this is the first rule. Carbon chain longest, it should be longest, but it should contain the double or triple bond. If there is double or triple bond, then it is numbered in such a way that carbon having double or triple bond should get the lowest number. So first example, double bond starts from ethene. First member of the alkene is ethene, CH2 double bond CH2. So this one, 2 carbons are there. So it is ethane, but double bond is there, therefore it is ethene. So it is ethene. There is not necessary to put the number here. But second example, if there are 3 carbons, okay, so 1, 2, 3. So 3 carbon alkane is propane, but there is a double bond. So we should give the numbers from the side which is nearer to the multiple bond, double or triple bond. So I am giving the number from this side because here it is double bond. 1, then 2, then 3. The same structure, if the same compound, if it is given like this, means this double bond is right side. Okay. So valency of the carbon is satisfied. Carbon, 2 bonds and 2 hydrogens, 4 valency. Middle carbon, 1 hydrogen, 1 bond, 2 and 2 bonds, 4 valency. So it is nothing but propene. But how I should give the number? If the structure is like this, I am giving number 1 to this carbon, it contains double bond. If the strain structure is like this, then I should give the number from here, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So that name will be prop 1-ene or propene because first carbon, if it contains the double bond, one can be neglected. Okay, or propene. Now coming to the bute. So here 4 carbons. Okay, so it is butene. Double bond is there, so it is butene. But number should be given from the right side because it is nearer to this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. If the double bond is here, I should give the number from this side. Okay, so it is, name is butene. Okay, but first carbon. So but 1-ene or 1 can be neglected, I told you. So it is called as butene. If the double bond is here, then it is but 2-ene. Okay, so if the double bond is in middle, then it is but 2-ene. See here I will write one example. Last example I take here. So CH3 CH double bond CH3. Okay. So numbers should be given. If you give from this side 1 to second carbon, if you give from this side 1 to second carbon contains double bond. So from any side you can give the number. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be second carbon has the double bond. Therefore it is but2-ene. But2-ene. Okay. Then third one. Next one. CH2 double bond CH2 CH3. If you take here CH2 CH3, there are 7 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Straight 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons. Okay. So I should give the number here 1, 2, 3. This is 4. This one is 5, 6, 7. So it is heptene. But first carbon contains the double bond and third carbon contains the side chain. Yes, this is the side chain. Can you observe? So this one side chain, it is CH2, 3 carbon, single bond. So it is propyl, straight chain is there. Therefore it is normal propyl. It is N-propyl. Okay. So the substituent group is N-propyl. If it is CH3, it will be methyl. If it is CH2, CH3, ethyl. CH2, CH2, CH3, N-propyl. So it is third position. 3 N-propyl. Then hept 1 ene. So it is 3 N-propyl. N-propyl group is attached to third position. 3 N-propyl. Hept. 7 means hept. Hept 1 ene or it is heptene. I told you. 1 ittandra neglect madidre naditada. The next one, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, double bond CH, CH2, CH3. So double bond is nearer to right side. So I will give numbers from here. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is also hept, but third position double bond. So it is hept 3 E. Okay. So this is about the first rule. Now second rule. Second rule, if the parent chain contains both double bond and triple bond. Suppose if the chain contains both double bond and triple bond, then we should give the preference to the double bond. Okay. So we should give the preference to the double bond if the chain contains both double and the triple bonds. So second rule I will write here. Second one. If the parent chain contains both double and triple bond, then we should give the preference to the double bond. So second rule, anyhow I am giving the notes, so I will not write the rule here, directly I will take the examples. Okay. So example, first one, CH triple bond C, CH2 CH double bond CH2. So this contains double and the triple bond both. We should give the preference to the double bond. Okay. So it will be, we should number from the side which is nearer to the double bond. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is pentane. Parent name is pentane. But we should not write A in here because there is a double and triple bond. So it is pent. Only you should stick to the alk. Pent. Pent. It is 1. Ene. Don't write E and E because again we should write I in here. Last ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ E ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಮಿಡಲ್ ಬಂದದ್ದು ಬರೆಯುವುದಲ್ಲ. So E 4. Fourth position contains I. It is I. Now I am writing Y and E here. Here I am not written E and E. Pent 1 E 4 I. Okay. Then second example. So second example I will write here CH3 CH3 CH double bond CH CH2 C triple bond C CH2 then CH3. So here we should give the preference to the double bond. Okay. So double bond means it is left side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So it is oct. Oct 2 ene 5 ine. Okay. So here it is oct 2 ene 5 ine. We should give the preference to the double bond. Then third one. Third example, CH triple bond C, then C CH3 here CH3 CH double bond CH2. So here there is a double bond, there is a triple bond. I should give the preference to the double bond. So 1, here 2, then 3, 4, 5. So third position contains 2 methyl groups. So it is 3 dimethyl. Then pent 1 ene 4 ine. Okay. So it is 3. 3, comma 3. 3, 3, put a dash, dimethyl. Dimethyl, 5 carbons. So it is pent, here I will write pent, 1 ene, 1 ene, only en. Then ine, 4 ine. Triple bond, iron, alkyne. Okay. So this is about the second rule. Now last one is third rule. See, if you have the 2 double bonds or 2 triple bonds in the carbon chain, ಎರಡು ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಅಲ್ಕಾ, ALKA. ಅಲ್ಕಾ means if 4 carbons are there, buta, 6 carbons, hexa. Then writing the position of the locant, carbon atom having double or triple bond, we should write diene if there are 2 double bonds. 3 double bonds, triene. Then if 2 triple bonds are there, diene, triene, like that. Okay, so that I will write you the examples here about the third one. Okay, so this one is if the chain has both double and triple bond, we should give the preference to the double bond. Okay, then last third rule. So third rule, if the carbon chain contains the more number of the double bonds or triple bonds, in that case we should give the numbers preferring that from the side which is nearer to the double or triple bond. Then we should write alka, means buta, Ta, not but only. If there are 4 carbons, we should not write but only. As in the second rule we have written but 1 ene, 4 ine, like that. So here we should write buta, hexa, then diene, triene, diene, like that. Okay, writing the position of the carbons. So here I will write the examples directly because I will give the notes here. So first one CH2 double bond C, then CH3, then double bond CH2. Yes, you can observe here there are 2 double bonds here and here, but double bond along with the substituent group left side along with methyl group. So I will give the number. ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ 1 2, there is no group. If there is a group, I will give the number from this side 1 2 3 4. Okay, so this will be 2 methyl, then write the locant, number of the carbon having double bond, first and the fourth. Okay, so here 2 methyl, then buta, 4 carbons means it is buta, then 1 buta 1, then third buta 1 3, put a dash, again diene means 2 enes, 2 double bonds are there. Okay, then second example, CH2 double bond CH double bond CH single bond CH double bond CH double bond CH2. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 carbons. Okay, but how many double bonds are there? Here there is a double bond, here there is a double bond, and here. So I can give the numbers from the side nearer to the double bond. So here it is, I can give the number from the left or right side, same position. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it is hexa 1, then third carbon 1 3, then 5, hexa 1 3 5, first third double bond, fifth double bond, 1 3 5, triene. Okay, so here it is hexa hexa, put a dash, 1, 3, 5, tri, 3 double bonds, so triene. Okay. Then third example. Here CH3, then CH double bond, CH double bond, CH2. So here we give the number. Here there is second carbon contains methyl group, but first carbon contains double bond. Okay. So I will give the preference to the double bond. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 5 methyl. Then 6 carbons. Double bond, 2 double bonds are there. So hexa. One double bond is hex. Okay. 2 double bonds are there. The hexa. Hexa means A bari. So it is 5 methyl. 5 methyl. Then hexa. Then put a dash. First carbon, third carbon. 1, 3. Diene. Okay. Then fourth one. Another example I have done here. So CH3, CH2, CH double bond, CH double bond, then CH, CH3, then here CH3. Little longer it is. So 1, 2, 3. Third carbon contains double bond here. Here 1, 2, 3. Third carbon contains double bond. But from the right side there is a second carbon. There is a methyl group. Okay. So I will give the numbers from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is 2 methyl. Then 8 means octa. 2 double bonds are there. 1 double bond is oct. Okay. So octa 3, 5 diene. So it is 2 methyl. Octa. Put a dash. 1. Not 1. 1, 2, 3. 3, 5. 3, 5. Put a dash again. Diene. Okay. So this is about the IUPAC nomenclature of the compounds having double or triple bond. In the next class we study the IUPAC nomenclature of the organic compounds which contain functional group. Okay. Thank you.